with the Junkyard Dog on junkyarddogs.com. We are Junkyard Doggin from state to state. So we are at Nevada Pick-a-Part. We're gonna go inside and see what we can find, man. We came out here to come pick up a car from the auction. So since we're out here, we might as well cruise through the local junkyard. You know what I mean? So let's all go ahead and head on in here before it closes up. Okay, so check this out. For the last like 15 minutes that we were walking around here, I just realized something. This yard is like crazy organized, right? So they got like a whole aisle just for Mustangs. And this aisle right here is just for Explorers. So if you're out in Nevada Pick-a-Part and you're looking for some GT40 heads, it's only gonna take you like 10 minutes to just go down this aisle and see if you see a V8 Explorer. So we're gonna go take a look and see if we come up on some GT40 or GT40P heads real quick. So V6, 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 V6. The newer Mountaineer right here. I got a junkyard mod to show you guys with these that involves the rear end. Tight. V6. Oh, all right. So this is a V8. It has a V8 symbol on the side, like I showed you guys in that other video. It's got a GT40 intake. See that? So if you live in Nevada and you're close to this Pick-a-Part and you got a 5.0, go ahead and grab that. Let me check to see if it has the GT40 heads or the P heads. Okay, it's got P heads, guys. Still good though. But you'll get an EGR GT40 intake, which is dope. Let's continue our walk down Explorer Lane, apparently. That's tight. I like it. So far I like this yard. This yard is tight. It's real organized and clean. You can like lay on the ground. This reminds me of U-PickParts in South Central. Very clean and organized. Damn. So that was it. We found GT40 intake and some GT40P heads. While I'm eating on a slushie. Yeah, frosted because it's hot out here in Nevada. But yeah, Junkyard Doggin from state to state. Let's walk around and see what else we can find up in here. Maybe they got some LS motors or some, I didn't see any T5s. There was one manual transmission Mustang, but somebody already got the T5, so whatever. All right, so we went and explored around a little bit. We did find one LS motor, but it was all taken apart. It was only a 4.8. I mean, not that that's bad, but you know, that's not what I like. And yeah, I mean, we just check it out Nevada real quick. It's kind of cool. Like I said before, it's really cool that this yard is like organized, very clean. Yeah, I will definitely be returning. If I had more time, I would take that GT40 intake back home with me. So, yeah, next time we come pick something up, I will be grabbing something. All right? So until next time, y'all, keep on Junkyard Doggin.